Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So here's a quick one from EURUSD. Right, on EURUSD, this was our previous trade. We were anticipating that would open and then would trade into this zone, thereby breaking market structure, finding a buy and trading higher. We were not activated on this particular trade. As we can see, we had the first run right here, right? Price did trade, but it didn't get into the buy entry zone, right? And we were not activated. And then on the second run as well, we missed it by a couple of pips before trading high. In this zone here, you could have managed to enter if you're smart enough. There's a market structure break there on the lower time frame, come to retest and then trade high. So yeah, as for me, I was not activated. We went to clear the take profit zone before price reversed. Right, so this is what happened in the previous trade. So currently, looking at where the market is at right now, right, I would like to show you something. Right, we have this here. Right, in itself, it becomes a range, and below here we have liquidity. Right, also above a range, we also have liquidity. So we have price giving us a fake out on the downside to take out sell side liquidity before trading high, and then doing the same thing, and then a reversal. Right, so as we closed last week, because of NFP, we saw price going on to trade and move as low as 1.078926. Nevertheless, this breakdown is not convincing enough for me, right? Which is this market structure here. This is too little. I would have preferred by end of day to get a much clearer market structure break before we can reverse. In here, probably look for support and then we trade lower, right? But as it stands, yes, we have traded below, right? We will monitor how they behave as soon as they open. So I would prefer to see, right, for Monday, most probably, right, where we just open, we trade lower, and then we start trading back. Now, there are two areas that I'm going to be watching for in this trade, right? The first one being the marked one on this chart, which is way above here. We have here fair value gap. This one we have pretty much closed it. It's still okay. Below that, we have another one in here. Right, so if we get a better break, I will be watching how price behaves as they come back into the zone, right? That's a very good zone for me to start looking for my sales, and I will activate them, taking profit right there, and any other short-term low created like that as we trade to close. Here we have equal lows, right? We also have a fair value gap in there, and below that, this is huge, right? It's staring right back at us. So I'd love to see price even go as low as the 1.0550 mid-figure level. Right, so this is basically what I'll be looking forward to on the EURUSD. That is, provided we get a clear break in here, right, and we get activated in this zone. If that does not happen, right, above here we have buy side liquidity in there, right? So if they just open and trade higher, I will monitor how they behave as we trade this last up close candle. And we see if we get any market structure breaks. If we do in this zone, then yes, I'll do the same thing. I'll activate, and on old lows, we take profit. On short-term lows, we also, take something off this trade as well. So this is what I have for you guys on EURUSD.